I've been here for 20 minutes. We've moved in really close. I'm surprised they haven't found us yet. It's just one guard. Okay. That's all we needed. Ooh. Fun time. Now to get back to base. Probably sending out more guards. Damn it! Damn, I'm just Mr. McLucky. I can't get me. Oh. Okay, we're safe. Okay, let's mount this baby up. Damn, they've doubled their guards now from last time. Damn, he's not dead. Damn it, we got a jam. Okay. Okay, there's probably more guards coming from their base. I'm gonna hide here. Finally, hopefully they're retreating now. Come on, they've got to be retreating. Oh, and if you saw that man, he's a terrorist. Good thing I got rid of him. Man, this one's got some vest or something. Come on, headshot, baby. On, when are they gonna retreat? Okay, I'll just make sure. Gotta take them out while they're coming out of the base. Let's see. Anybody over there? Oh, anybody over there? No. Don't see any. Haha, jammed gun. Hopefully they retreat.